A belt sander is the big daddy in the world of sanders, and if you want the power to strip paint, trim edges, level surfaces or sand very rough items, this is the tool for you. There are two main types of belt sander, handheld and bench mounted. Each uses a coarse sandpaper belt spinning at high speed to rapidly strip material. A handheld belt sander is used almost exclusively for woodwork projects, and if the piece to be sanded is a large flat surface such as a door, table or even a small section of floor, this is the tool you need. The workpiece needs to be firmly secured before it can be worked on, as the belt sander requires two hands due to its considerable amount of torque. Start the sander up and allow it to reach full speed before placing it on the surface. The belt speed can be adjusted using the speed dial. Always sand with the grain or at a 45-degree angle to it. Keep the sander moving and don't apply any downwards pressure. Let the sander do the work. Keeping the dust off your project and out of your lungs deserves some consideration, and most belt sanders will include an extraction port to attach a collection bag or workshop vacuum. This will not collect all of the dust, so it's best practice to wear a dust mask along with safety glasses and hearing protection, as belt sanders are almost always very loud. When it's time to change a worn belt or switch to a different grit, swapping the belt out is an easy job. Handheld belt sanders are equipped with a quick release lever, so activate this to ease the tension, remove the old belt and slide the new one on. Easy as that. If the belt tries to wander off the roller, twist the tracking adjustment until it holds steady. Go easy to start with while you get a feel for this tool, and pretty soon those labour-intensive tasks will be a breeze with your belt sander.